In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one. Scroll down a tiny bit and click on voice typing over here. Then use gray switcher to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and click on a now visible microphone. If you never used it before, after tapping on it, click on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!